Hello, how are we doing? Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions again, and I've got another unboxing treat for you today. So what we'll be unboxing is a new toy for us to play with, and this is it. This is a Ubiquiti security camera. It's one of the indoor versions, the G3, easy for some to say, isn't it? The G3 Flex. So this is an indoor camera. And it's one which I was really interested in getting. I've seen lots of good things about these cameras, not just this particular one, but the outdoor ones, the bullet ones. And I hadn't actually played with any of the cameras myself. You may have seen on some of my other videos that we are big fans in general of Ubiquiti. We use their Wi-Fi kit all the time, their networking stuff, when it switches and cloud keys and wireless access points, outdoor access points, all that stuff we love. We've never actually played with the cameras. So I got hold of one. The reason I've just got the one for now is it's actually going to be a test for us at our offices. One of the things which lockdown has allowed us to do is actually spend some time thinking about the setup in our own office. And one of them things is, whilst we have security cameras at the moment, they are dated. They're years and years and years old, and they do a job. Don't get me wrong, they do a job. But I thought now's the time. I think got a little bit of time to look at the setup here and upgrade things for us. We're always so busy looking after our customers and upgrading them. That sometimes, it's easy to forget to look after yourself a little bit, isn't it? So that was my thoughts behind purchasing one of these. We're going to need more than one, but I've just got the one at the moment because how I work with these things is I get one, I test it, I check it out, make sure I'm 100% happy with it, and then I'll buy the additional ones because they can just be tagged on. So shall we go ahead and unbox this little beauty and see what we've got? It's literally still sealed, so I haven't done anything with this one at all. It's literally just turned up this morning, so I'm just going to take off the cellophane and see what we've got. Okay, so I've taken the cellophane off the box and I'm now just going to slide this out. Oh, nice, look at that. That's cool, isn't it? I mean, one thing I would say is, and obviously this isn't anything to do with the functionality of the product, is it looks cool. In my opinion, that looks cool. That's a cool looking little camera, that is. So what have we got? So I have taken the camera out of this. We'll just have a very quick look at this. So this is as straightforward as by the look of it. And bear in mind, this is the first time I've ever had one of these in my hands. I can literally see that we've got the network connection on the back here. One really important thing to note with this particular model, which is the G3 Flex, it is a PoE camera. What PoE means is that it gets its power from the network cable that you plug into it. There isn't any actual power supply or a plug that comes with this. It's purely powered for the network connection, and to do that you can't just use any network switch. You need to make sure you've got a PoE network switch as well, and we have them here in our offices, so it's not a problem for us. But if you've got a standard switch and you were considering this, you may also need to consider upgrading your switch as well. But so that's the camera by the look of it. Just the network connection on the back. That's cool. Should we see what else is in the box as well? So going back to the box, you can see where I've removed the camera. So underneath, looks like we've got the setup guide and marketing info as well. I'll check that out once I start having a play with it. So looks like looks to be some kind of base plate for it as well. Mounting bracket of some kind, I'd hazard a guess at. Again, I'll check this out in more detail when I am doing the full setup. And looks to be another bracket as well up here. Let's have a look at that. I'm guessing it's an arm of some kind. Yeah, it is. So that looks to be, again, alongside the other one, some kind of bracket to enable you to mount it. If you were putting it on the wall, high up in a corner, like where my finger's pointing there, you might have it mounted in the corner of a room or something. So these two brackets look to be what you put together to enable you to do that. And then we've got the screws and the wall plugs, which you'll need to do that by the look of it. That's for them brackets. And then we'll just have a look under here just to complete the picture. I don't know if there's anything under here. There isn't. It is just purely cardboard. How exciting. So there we go. That is the Ubiquiti G3 Flex unboxed. Camera, mounting brackets, screws and wall plugs, and setup guide by the look of it. So yeah, I'm going to be having a play with that and setting it up and seeing what I think of it. I'm really expecting it to blow our other cameras out of the water. I really hope it does. I'm sure it will. But yeah, I'm going to have a play with that. So I will more than likely, once I've had a play and got my head around it and tested it out, I'm sure I will end up doing a follow-up video about the setup and what I think of it as an actual product. But that's it for today's unboxing of the Ubiquiti G3 Flex. Please do smash the like button if you've enjoyed this video. It really helps grow our channel. Please do comment on the video. I try and get back to everybody personally. Please do subscribe. Again, we're looking to grow our channel all the time, and do use the links below to connect with me on the likes of LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. So that's me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. When I can press stop on the video.